Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by mounting the manual lens firmly. Align the marks and twist until it clicks. Next, switch the camera to manual or M mode and turn off autofocus. This ensures you control focus exclusively. Once done, set a sensible ISO and aperture so the image preview is usable, then enable live view or use the viewfinder to begin focusing. You'll feel more control immediately, and you avoid the camera trying to refocus against you. You now refine focus using magnified live view or focus peaking. These tools show detail and edge contrast clearly. Rotate the focus ring slowly and deliberately. Small movements matter a lot, so pause and check the image at 100%. Once you see maximum sharpness on your subject, back off slightly to confirm depth of field. Make sure to brace the camera, or better yet, use a tripod. Stable framing prevents you from chasing false sharpness. You finish by locking exposure and making final composition adjustments. Recompose carefully and keep the chosen focus plane intact. Take a couple of test shots at different apertures to verify sharpness across the desired depth of field, and review each image zoomed in on the camera's screen. If images look soft, check the viewfinder diopter, clean lens contacts and mount, and repeat focusing step by step. Often the issue is slight ring movement or misjudged preview, not the lens itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.